Hey guys, 2016 Subaru Outback. No power, no start to the ignition. So when you get in, you press the power. Only thing comes on is that, right? So that's all that comes on. But before, the screen on the radio didn't come on, that didn't come on, the power here didn't come on. None of this came on. So to fix that problem, you will have to replace the 125 fuse, which is located under the hood. Right there. That's it. Again, hopefully that solved a lot of your Subaru jump starting and car won't start, and check your radio, all that stuff. If it doesn't come on, I would definitely check that 125 fuse. You would need an 8mm socket to remove it. And if your light here doesn't blink like it is, that means that fuse is blown, or the radio doesn't come on. Any of the lights doesn't show, that means that fuse is blown. All right, thank you guys for watching.